In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion student dashboard for organizing your schoolwork. If you're a student and you want one simple place to manage your classes, notes, assignments, and important dates, this setup is a great way to stay on top of everything. The goal is to create a dashboard that feels clean, practical, and easy to update so you can quickly see what needs your attention. Start by creating your main student dashboard in Notion. This will be your home base, the page you open whenever you want to check your school life at a glance. Give it a clear title and keep the layout simple so it doesn't feel cluttered. You want this page to help you focus, not overwhelm you. Next, add a database or a separate page for each class or subject. This helps you divide your work into clear categories, which makes everything easier to find later. For example, each subject can have its own dedicated space where you keep related notes, materials, and assignments. Keeping your classes separated like this creates structure and saves time when you're studying. After that, create a notes section for lectures, lessons, and readings. This is where you can collect everything you learn in class or while studying on your own. Try to keep your notes organized by date, topic, or unit so they're easy to review before a test. A consistent format can also help you absorb information more efficiently. Then add an assignment tracker that includes the due date, the class, and the status of each task. This is one of the most useful parts of the dashboard because it gives you a quick overview of what's coming up and what still needs to be finished. Make sure the status is something easy to update, such as not started, in progress, or completed. That way, you can monitor your workload without having to think too hard about it. Next, create a calendar view for deadlines and exams. Seeing your schedule visually can help you plan ahead and avoid last-minute stress. This is especially helpful during busy weeks when multiple assignments and tests are happening close together. You should also store links, files, and study materials inside each subject page. This keeps your resources connected to the right class and reduces the need to search through different apps or folders. The more accessible your materials are, the more likely you are to actually use them. Finally, review your dashboard regularly to keep your schoolwork updated. A dashboard only works if you maintain it, so make it a habit to check in often, update statuses, and add new notes or deadlines. With a system like this in place, staying organized in school becomes much more manageable.